Click on the link below to get price. The Seafrogs SF01 Underwater Lighting Strobe Kit is an impressive accessory designed to elevate underwater photography and videography. This comprehensive kit includes 2 powerful strobes, each boasting an impressive 1000 lumen output, which significantly enhances the quality of images captured in low-light conditions. The strobes are easy to operate, with a simple control interface that allows for quick adjustments, making them suitable for both novice and experienced photographers. One of the standout features of this kit is the inclusion of 2 float balls. These float balls are essential for maintaining buoyancy while underwater, allowing for easier maneuverability and reducing fatigue during long shooting sessions. The float balls are well made and can be securely attached to the strobes, ensuring they remain stable while in use. The strobes themselves are built with durability in mind, featuring a robust construction that resists corrosion from saltwater exposure. This durability is crucial for anyone venturing into challenging underwater environments. Additionally, the strobes have a range of color temperature settings, allowing photographers to customize their lighting to suit various underwater scenes, which is crucial for achieving accurate color representation. In terms of battery life, the strobes perform admirably, providing several hours of continuous use on a full charge. This longevity is vital for lengthy dives or shooting sessions, ensuring you won't miss out on key moments due to equipment limitations. The recharge time is reasonable, allowing for quick turnaround between dives. The overall value of the Seafrogs SF01 Underwater Lighting Strobe Kit is exceptional. With high-quality strobes, useful flotation aids, and user-friendly operation, this kit is a must-have for enthusiasts seeking to capture stunning underwater imagery. Whether you're diving in tropical reefs or exploring mysterious shipwrecks, this strobe kit significantly enhances your ability to capture vibrant and dynamic underwater scenes.